Hi family, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, Hanukkah, or whatever holiday you celebrated. It was an interesting month here. Jenny, Karen, and I did our stocking project this year. We got 100 stockings done for the seniors in our community. And then right after that, Jenny and I both got sick. I got a really bad sinus infection. I was so sick, I was scared. Maybe I thought I had COVID again, but thankfully it was not. It was just a regular old run-of-the-mill sinus infection. So I got better, and then Jenny had an issue with her iron going on, and she got really sick. She's also better. And then the Friday before Christmas, Miss Macy here went outside and was running zoomies in the backyard and hurt her knee and came back in and could not walk on her back left leg. So I had to get her to the vet and get her seen about. She is also recuperating beautifully. She's not 100% yet. She's still, when she goes down the stairs, she holds her back leg up, which is fine because I don't want her to injure her knee anymore. But she is also doing better. And so we decided that we are going to do a combination Happy New Year's video and a giveaway that I was going to do over the Christmas holiday, but was too sick to do it. So anyway, what we're going to do this time is I've got 4 gifts that I'm going to give away. And if you guys want to enter the giveaway, same rules, put 3 exclamation points in front of your comment, and that will let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway. And that's all there is to it. So the first thing we're giving away is this candle. It's from Enchanted Lanterns, and I've bought a couple of candles from her, and they're amazing. The scents are beautiful. And this one is raw sugar mandarin, and it smells fabulous. And along with this candle, I'm giving away a $25 Barnes & Noble gift card that you can use either at your local store or order online. Because, I mean, it's something nice and special about being able to read a book and have a candle lit at the same time. So that's gift number 1. The second thing I'm giving away is this beautiful mug. It's by Gibson, and it says, "This moment is perfect just as it is." And it is going to come with 2 things of tea. You're going to get a Lady Grey, which I don't know if you guys have ever had the Earl Grey tea, but the Lady Grey is different. It's got citrus and different flavors in it, and I really like it. It's good to me. And then the second one you're getting is orange and cinnamon spice Twinings tea. So you'll get this mug and 2 teas if you win this particular one. And then I'm just trying to set things out of the way here so you guys can see. The other thing I'm giving away is this Tupperware tower. And this is brand new, and it's actual Tupperware. And it's so cute because it stacks like this. I tried to see if they would stack inside of each other with the lids on, and they do not, because Tupperware has put these, I guess you would call them lifts or lips or something, on these containers, which is really helpful for those of us whose hands are a little bit weaker, or we just have a hard time getting things off. They will stack inside of each other, and the lids, you know, will put them down flat for shipping. But like I say, it's a brand new set. Their Tupperware is great for storing things, and you've got all the different sizes here that you could store, from the individual all the way down to if you did a small pot of soup or something. So that is the 3rd giveaway. And then the 4th one I have put down here on the floor because it was blocking my light. And speaking of lights, I know I have a Christmas necklace on, y'all, but I bought this necklace because I was going to wear it during Christmas and when I was doing the Christmas giveaway, and I didn't get a chance to, so I just was like, doggone it, I'm going to wear it anyway. So that's why I'm wearing this. And then the last gift that I'm giving away is the Magic Bullet here. And this is brand new in the box. And I've got a Magic Bullet, and I love it. So I just thought this might be a good giveaway thing to have. So if you want to enter, 3 exclamation points before your comments. Also, if you guys just want to comment and tell me how your holidays went, I would love to hear that, because I spent Christmas Day here at home with Macy and us not going anywhere, and it was very nice and it was very quiet, but I missed you guys and I missed hearing from y'all. So y'all drop me a comment and let me know how your holidays went, okay? So I hope you have a great New Year's Day. We're gonna do, I've got some boneless barbecue pork ribs that we're going to do with black soybeans and some spinach to play with the little, you know, black-eyed pea greens thing that people do for New Year's. So that's going to be our version of it this year. So let me know what you guys are having today. And whoever you're rooting for your football team, I hope your team wins. And again, I hope y'all have a fabulous, fabulous New Year's. I think 2024 is going to be amazing. Jenny will be back tomorrow, and we're going to do a food video that I'll hopefully will get uploaded for you guys Wednesday. And we're just going to rock and roll into 2024 and make it a much better year than 2023 has been. So you guys have a good one. I love you. I hope everything goes fabulous for you this entire week. And I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.